Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Ta-da! We got you a surprise. When you pour your concrete now, just put this sign on the...
Ain't that time to shoot?
Correction acknowledged. Deploying shoot.
Good to see you, soldier. Come on by Sarge's surplus hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
Thanks. So, I guess you can't get along with...
On your mark, get set. Uno for the morning, two for...
Roy, Amber and I will take care of the smaller fire. Think you can handle the big one?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I hope you got your drip pan.
Got my drip pan and I'm taking my nap.
Bring it on, old man.
Hello, Faith. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
Bell County Unified School District!
Gave up the piston cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan overal.
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay. Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Some pretty darn nice racing out there.
By me!
Welcome to the.
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Ooh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there. In the hood, right there.
That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
As crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Oí que es el más veloz del oeste.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
Now gas is gonna go.
What? So don't you...
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the
Tag, you're in.
What?
I have your hat, sir. The children are waiting for you at the snowman party.
So,